Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious egg sponge cake recipe. This cake reminds me of my childhood cake. In Cantonese, we call it鸡蛋糕. For this recipe, the cake turns out moist, light and fluffy. And the best part, the method is incredibly simple. So if you enjoy no-fuss baking, you'll definitely love this recipe. First, let's prepare the eggs. Separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Make sure the bowl you use for the egg whites is completely dry. Add 50 grams of castor sugar. Mix well. Then add 80 grams sunflower oil or any neutral tasting oil. Mix well. Then add 160 grams of plain flour, superfine flour or self-raising flour. I like to use superfine flour as the cake texture will be more soft and fine. 20 grams cornstarch, half teaspoon baking powder. If you use self-raising flour, don't need to add any baking powder. Half teaspoon vanilla essence, 120 ml water. Mix until you don't see clumps of dry flour. Then set aside. Now we're going to prepare the egg whites. Make sure the bowl is dry, if not the egg whites won't fluff up well. Add the egg whites into the bowl. Whisk on medium speed. Whisk until you see the egg whites become foamy. Here I have 90 grams of castor sugar. Add in 3 portions. 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add the next portion of castor sugar. Then add the last portion of castor sugar. Once the egg white looks glossy and form clear ribbons, it should be ready. Whisk until you get stiff peaks. The tip of the egg white will be pointing straight up. Scoop up 1/3 of beaten egg whites into the egg yolk batter. Mix until well combined. Then pour the batter into the egg whites. Mix until well combined. I'm going to use a spatula to fold it gently just to make sure the base is well mixed in. Pour into an 8-inch mold. Repeat tapping the mold on the table a few times to remove air bubbles. Bake in preheated oven at 140 degrees Celsius for 50 minutes. Then increase to 160 degrees, bake another 5 minutes. Wait for it to cool down, about 20 minutes. Hope you like this recipe. See you next time.